Hello, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of the staff training and tracking solution that we have here. I have with me an admin account and I'm going to log in as an admin person. This is what happens when you sign up for an admin account. You get an activated admin account linked to an email address. Now my admin account says YGR staff training in the company name and it's got my email address here. I can change my password, so when you are assigned a default password, you can change your password initially. And the same thing with the employees. When you add staff to your training program, they get a default password, they get an email, and the first thing they do is they go and change the password. Let me go and add an employee. So I'm just going to add an employee called Joe Carter. Email is joe.carter@ygr.com.au. So that's the YGR staff training. And I'll set its status as active, which it is by default. And I'll submit it. So an email goes to joe.carter and a default password is also assigned. The HR manager then goes and uploads the training material. Now, Train Staff actually helps you to build this. We specialize in building HTML-based training packages. What you have to do is you have to go and set up your training package, which we have here. We have it as a zip file. The zip contains an HTML package, and I'll show it to you once I upload it. So I upload my material, I assign my employees. I go to employee and I keep adding my 20 employees, 50 employees. I think you can add up to 100 employees in the base package. So for 1 year, you can have 100 employees, and the next year they can again repeat the training if it's an annual training. So I've uploaded the file, and that's my file. That's my training package. Now this is something we can build for you. If you already have an HTML based training package, you can just upload it. Here you can see the various modules, and that's what this is great for. It's great for health and safety, it's great for staff induction, it's great for the code of conduct training that employees must have every year. Companies need to show currency in these areas, and this training package allows you to have presentations. So that's a presentation from SlideShare. I'll show you something else. You can have images, PDFs, you can have videos. So that's a YouTube feed. There's a video there, that's an image there. So you can build your training package that way. So these are the two main things. You can upload your logo. We are going to get the logo to appear on your certificates or on the employee certificates. I'm going to log out of here, and then I'm going to log in as the employee to show you what the employee can do. So I had joe.carter@ygr.com.au. I'll use the default assigned password, and joe.carter would have got an email. So now joe.carter can basically go into material and view the same material that I was showing you earlier. When we build it, we normally put it in such a way that this quiz links back to the quiz page. So we have got the quiz here. Now joe.carter can attempt the quiz. And by the way, joe.carter can go to the quiz from the main page as well. So there's material and quiz. There's nothing else that the staff can do here. So once joe.carter comes here, he can attempt the quiz, and the true or false questions. We don't change the number of options, we just change them to can't say, none of the above. Stop a lot of executive switches, true, false. I'm just going to give anything. I might not succeed. I'm just going to choose options. So I did not succeed. So it says a fail here. See that? Fail, re-attend quiz. I want to show you how easy it is for an admin person to set up the quiz. So an admin person sets up an employee, sets up the training material, and the admin person also goes and manages the quiz. So you can add a quiz. You can, when you add a quiz, you can actually set what's the pass percentage, what's the maximum number of questions. So you can have 50 questions, but only 10 can be asked. So you set the maximum number of questions. And once you submit a quiz, then within the quiz, you can go into questions and you can add a question. When you add a question, what happens is you give the question. If you say true or false, these two appear. You set your options and then you say which options are true. So maybe more than one option is true. You just press the shift key or the control key. Options are true and you submit it. And if you go to employees now and you see manage employees, you will actually see, or rather if you go to quiz, I'm sorry, if you go to manage quiz, you can see 7 people have attended this quiz. And out of them, Joe Carter failed, Javed Miadad has failed, Sheila has passed, Christine has passed twice, and you can view their certificate. So Robert Lengel, that's Robert Lengel's certificate of completion. Robert Lengel has satisfactorily completed health and safety on so and so date. Now, when a candidate has successfully completed a quiz, they too can see this certificate and download it. So I'm going to stop this video here, and hopefully in these 7 minutes I've been able to demonstrate the platform to you. Please call us if you want to know more about this.